The mayor to also keep an open mind, not prejudge the investigation, and not to demand apologies this early. And he should, as mayor of Makati City, he should respect the opinion of the elected senators of the Republic to investigate this matter. When his time comes, when he is senator, then he should, and a similar reso is filed, then he should vote against investigating it. That's when his time comes.
Pag naging senador na siya.
Pag naging senador na siya.
Pero sir, since gusto nyo mag-file ng bill regarding local government,
Pending na, napay ko na.
pending na. Dapat ba sir investigatin din yung mga sinasabi niya na yung multicab sa Taguig, yung convention center?
Kung merong mag-file ng resolution in the Senate, it's referred to the proper committee. And if no one wants to chair the hearing, then I will volunteer, because all of these alleged shenanigans at the local government levels, I want to understand, I want to dig up, I want to fully uncover in relation to my pet bill, the bigger pie, bigger slice bill, which will give more resources to local government units, eradicate, take away the IRA, but replace this with the share in the national tax. Kaya, actually, the eradication of corruption at the local government level is one of my advocacies and one of my obsessions because of this pet bill of mine.
Sir, can you just shed light? You said no one wants to chair the investigation. How come, sir?
No, just in case. Because sometimes political personalities are involved na let's say close to some of us. Then, because even if they're close, I believe I can maintain an academic or legislative approach to the investigation, because I always have that bill at the back of my mind that I want to uncover anecdotal incidents. I want to know more about how local governments generate and spend funds, so because of the pet bill.
Sir, pero di ba dapat yung chair automatic? Kasi I think that's what they're questioning na.
Hindi automatic.
This is a special
Hindi
case.
automatic. Ako mismo as chair of the Justice Committee, I created a subcommittee so as not to delay the matter, because the citizenship of Andre Blatch, we had to hear it during the break. What if I created a subcommittee so as not to delay it? So, pending na. And actually, ito nga, ako nga, I volunteered to hear this subcommittee of the Blue Ribbon so as to give our chairman more time. That maybe he can now start investigation of the Malampaya, other matters. Okay, so ako na bahala rito, siya naman bahala sa iba.